Hi, Bryan here from Tillsonburg Cars, back with an update on our 67 Malibu project. We showed you where we got the whole floor pan. It's in and welded and secured. Pat and Brandon had it in and out several times just to make sure the fit was right and make sure everything lined up. The next stage is they went to the inner fenders. Now both inner and outer fender wells on both sides are brand new. They're all glued in, welded in, secured and lined up. So the next thing they've done is they have fitted the floor up in here for the trunk. So that's the next piece of the puzzle here. They have to make sure all the fit is right, and they're doing the measurements on the body mounts because that has to be dead on, because if not, then you got to do a whole bunch of work. Brandon's over here working on the chassis, getting all the parts on the chassis, getting it ready so we can drop it on and test fit it. But in the process here, we found the one missing piece of the puzzle was back here. There's a valance that runs across, and it's the only piece that we didn't buy new, so they decided it was worth the wait of a day to order the new panel. So we're going to cut that old panel out and put this new one in and line up, and then everything will be like brand new. It's a little bit of a tedious process, so sort of reminds me of when you're getting ready to go someplace, you know, when your wife comes downstairs all dressed nice, and you know, she asks you, how's that look? And you say, nice, it looks nice. And then she goes back upstairs and comes back down another 15 minutes with a different outfit on, and you know, she asks you, how's that look? And yeah, that's nice, that was nice, but that's nice. And then she goes back up for the third time, goes back down, and you know, you don't get your opinion asked, but you know, she wants an opinion, so you give it to her, and it's like, it's nice. Now the process is somewhat like this, where you know, it's about the care of appearance, and what the final product is how it looks, and of course the outcome is the same. It's beauty. So you know, with that being said, I'm going to get off this slippery slope, and I'm going to come back to you again when we got this thing ready to test on the chassis. And till then, thanks for watching. Bye.